After prolonged committee meetings, the special session to address rising property taxes still has not started.
Governor Jared Polis called the special session to decrease property taxes for 2023 after 60% of voters turned down Proposition HH earlier this month. KRDO 13 investigative reporter Quinn Ritzdorf is live in the studio to explain why neither side is optimistic about reaching a solution. Quinn?
Yeah, Bart and Heather, the Republican lawmakers say the Democrats' proposal doesn't go far enough to give property tax relief to Coloradans. But Democrat lawmakers say the GOP's proposal goes too far as it dips into the state's reserve funds.
Everyone in my caucus is going to have a very hard time getting behind what we believe is a disingenuous effort to bring true property tax relief to the folks. So that's a long-winded way of saying not likely.
This proposal from Democrat lawmakers, which passed the Finance Committee this afternoon, is very similar to Proposition HH, but without keeping your Tabor refunds. Their legislation would increase residential property tax exemption and decrease the assessment rate, but it doesn't include breaks for commercial properties. Now, to reimburse local governments for lost revenue from this decreased property taxes, the state will use $200 million from the general fund. But only government entities with less than 13.5% of growth will receive those reimbursements.
This is all one big math problem. We are trying to provide the relief that we can given the constraints of how much money we have for backfill. So if we do much deeper cuts in tax relief, we need to find money for backfill, or we just don't do backfill.
The Republicans' proposed legislation, which failed in committee, offered far more property relief, nearly $1.4 billion worth. This would have been done by decreasing assessment rates for residential and commercial properties.
What the people said is what we saw on election night. Keep your hands off our Tabor refunds and give us meaningful and real property tax relief.
But to offset losses to local governments, Republicans proposed using about $500 million of the state's reserves, a no-go for Democratic lawmakers.
If and when we hit a downturn, we are going to need those reserves. And if we don't have them because we have used it all for backfill, then we essentially are just creating more problems for ourselves as a state.
This special session is to only find short-term solutions for the 2023 property tax relief. The one area both sides actually do agree on is a property tax task force to address this issue long-term. Reporting live in the studio, Quinn Ritzdorf, KRDO 13 Investigates.
All right.